Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 error code 0xc000000e. Click Start. Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt. Type bootrec /fixmbr. Type bootrec /fixboot. Type bootsect /nt60 sys. Type bootrec /fixboot. Type bcdedit /export /bcdbackup. Type attrib /boot /bcd -h -r -s. Type ren /boot /bcd bcd.old. If any error, change bcd.old to bcd1.old. Type bootrec /rebuildbcd. Type Y to continue. Type exit. Click Continue to start Windows 10. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.